Hey Pool Pros! Pentair Pool is excited to host the PHTA and Genesis Road Show in Apex, North Carolina from November 11th through 13th. This 3-day event is packed with opportunities to expand your expertise and elevate your business. Here's what's in store. Master Fluid Hydraulics. Dive deep into the E211 course and explore everything from water physics to hydraulic design. Discover cutting-edge technology. Join in on Pentair's exclusive session on chemical controllers, salt chlorine generators, and variable frequency drive pumps. Get hands-on. Enjoy practical learning and a behind-the-scenes tour of Pentair's Innovation Center. Don't miss this chance to grow your skills, lead the industry, and stay ahead of the curve. Let's make a splash together. Register now at phta.org/roadshow.